Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, then please considering subscribing to my channel. Also, welcome to my special Christmas series where I'm talking about everything Christmas and New Year's. So it's the holiday season you guys, and I'll be sharing some amazing videos with you all from 21st of December to the 31st of December. So if you haven't watched this series already, do watch it right now. I would leave a link for it in the description box below, and I'm sure you're gonna love it because I'm sharing some delicious recipes, some nice DIYs and some goal setting inspirational videos for 2020. Also, don't forget to hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss the daily videos that I am uploading on my channel, and you also get notified every time I upload a new video here. And today I'm here to share with you a special Christmas recipe, and that is the hot chocolate stirrer recipe. So this is like having a premix ready for hot chocolate. All you have to do is store them in your refrigerator whenever you feel like having a nice warm hot chocolate milk during this cozy winter season. All you have to do is you have to just take it out from the refrigerator and stir it really well in a hot cup of milk, and you're good to go. You have the hot chocolate milk ready with you guys. So it's like an instant premix ready for whenever you are craving for a nice cup of hot chocolate. This one's gonna taste so delicious, so yummy. It will soothe your soul, and you have to do almost nothing while preparing it. So this one is a super hit recipe that you should not miss out, and you should definitely try this. It is also an amazing option for gifting on Christmas itself. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with the recipe. For this recipe, take about 100 grams of dark chocolate and melt it in microwave. You can also use the double boiler method to melt this chocolate. Once the chocolate is melted, pour it into silicone molds. I'm using the silicone cupcake molds here. You can use any cupcake molds that you have. I usually prefer making this stirrer in cupcake molds because it gives a nice big size. If you want to create smaller size of stirrers, you can use smaller molds. So I'm making one stirrer here which is gonna be completely of dark chocolate, and another stirrer is gonna have layering of both white chocolate and dark chocolate. Here I'm gonna keep the yellow mold in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes for it to settle down a bit, and then in the green mold I'm gonna top it with some marshmallows. I'm using some chopped marshmallows here, and then I'm finally sprinkling it with some sprinklers to give it festive vibes. After 5 minutes, take out the yellow mold from the refrigerator. Here I'm gonna top it with some white chocolate to give it a nice layering of both dark chocolate and white chocolate. Top them with sprinklers and refrigerate them all for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, insert a stick in the center of the molds. Refrigerate them again for 10 minutes and demold them. And ta-da! Your hot chocolate stirrers are ready. You can keep them in your refrigerator and have them as and when required. You have to just dunk them in a hot glass of milk and you'd be good to go. Add some extra sugar if required and enjoy this warm glass of hot chocolate. this Christmas gift is gonna be extremely special for them. They're gonna enjoy it, they're gonna love it, and this is hatke from the usual gifts that we give on Christmas. So do give this recipe a definite shot and let me know how did it turn out for you. Do give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can share your recreations with me on my Instagram handle. The link for all my social media handles would be given in the description box below. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.